people, teacher Monica here. Did you know that some of the most common mistakes in advanced English involve these tiny words, it and there? They're called dummy subjects, and mastering them will make your English sound much more natural and advanced. Let me show you how. A dummy subject is a word we use when there's no real subject in the sentence, but we still need one for the sentence to be correct. In English, if there's no subject, we make it up. We need it, otherwise we don't get it. In English, we use two main dummy subjects, it and there. It is used to talk about time, it's nearly midnight, weather, it's been raining all day, distance, it's over 10 kilometers from here to the airport, and opinions and comments, it's disappointing that they cancelled the event. In these cases, the word it doesn't refer to anything specific, but the subject still needs to be there. We need a subject for the sentence to be grammatically correct, or we don't get it in English. There is used to introduce the idea that something exists or is happening. For example, there's a growing concern about climate change. There have been several complaints from customers. There's no need to rush, we still have plenty of time. Notice that there doesn't describe a place, it just introduces the information. Here is where students, even at C1 level or even higher, often go wrong. For example, it's two solutions that we must consider. This is wrong. There are two solutions that we must consider, we should say. There's essential that we act fast. No, it's essential that we act fast. There's surprising how quickly the market is changing. No, it's surprising how quickly the market is changing. A common trick is this. If you're describing something with an adjective like important, essential, or surprising, you probably need it, not there. Now, let's look at something more advanced, the anticipatory it. This happens when we place it at the start of the sentence to emphasize or highlight key information that is coming right afterwards. For example, it was only after the meeting that we realized the mistake. It's by practicing regularly that you improve your writing skills. It's John who deserves the credit for the idea. In all these examples, as you can see, it helps highlight what's important, perfect for essays, formal writing, or presentations, is the top tip. And here's the final one. If you're unsure whether to use it or there, try replacing it with a clear subject. If the sentence doesn't really make sense, you probably need a dummy subject. Now tell me, have you ever struggled with dummy subject or anticipatory it? Drop your questions in the comments and I'll help you out. And if you want more tips like this, follow me for more advanced English advice, and don't forget to share with those you love. Share the love, share the knowledge, share the English. Thank you for watching. Teacher Monica from One English Streaming, happy to help.